Okay, so in your math book, I want you to complete page 90, which is just some review of things that we've done already this year, odd and even numbers. There's a couple of repeated addition arrays. Um, there is a part whole to fill in and a story problem. So do page 90, and then I'm going to start you off on this lesson 3.1 and help you through this first problem. And I really think, my Cambridge second graders, that you can handle this. But I want you to pay very close attention to this first problem with me. Make sure you're understanding what I'm doing so that you are successful at doing it by yourself. So it says, how can you use the 100 chart to help you find 32 plus 43? Well, all right, first of all, we need to start with one of the numbers. So let's find 32. Okay, and go ahead with your pencil and circle it on your page. There's 32. Now, whoops, randomly drawing. Now, from the video, they showed us that we could do it either way. We could add the tens first or the ones first. I've always told you guys to add the ones first, so I think we're going to start with the ones. All right, so this is the ones place. How many ones do we have to add? 3. Are we going to go across 3 or down 3 if we're adding ones? We're going to go across. The number is going to get 1 bigger going across. So let's move 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to stop there. We've added the ones now. Now from here, we need to add the tens. How many tens are there? Well, there's 4 tens. Each 10, we have to go down a row. So how many rows are we going to go down? 4. 4 rows is 4 tens. So we're going to start here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. What answer did we come to? 75. Now, down here it asks you to write the equation that we just solved. Grab my pen again. So we started on 32. We added 43. And we landed on 75. How can you check yourself? Well, you can do it just like I taught you in first grade, or whoever your teacher was taught you. You can stack these. What's 3 plus 2? 3, 4, 5. What's 4 plus 3? 4, 5, 6, 7. Did we get the right answer using our hundreds chart? We sure did. So then here, I want you to write what we did. You can write, we moved 3 ones, and then we moved down 4 tens to get to 75. That's what this little space is for. Okay, now let's see. Can I go to the next page? Yes, I can. Now here is exactly what they did in the video. This is when they added the 10 first and then went across the 8 ones. Here's when they went 8 ones first and then went down the tens. So if you get confused, you can look back up there and figure it out. All right, so they actually are showing you this first one. So let me grab a pen, scroll down here. All right, so we started on 17, right? They did the tens first, so they went down 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. Then they went across 2 ones. 1, 2, and they got their answer, 49. I'm going to be nice and do one more with you. You ready? Please be paying attention. Um, let's do this one, because this one they tried to trick you. They just put the addition sentence over on this side of the equal sign instead of there. It's still the same. So we're going to find 19. Okay. We're going to go down 2 tens. 1, 2. And how many are we going to go across? 0. So we're already at the answer right here. 19 plus 20 is 39. Are you seeing what you're going to do? There's a bunch of them on this page to try. Ooh, these look tricky, tricky. You got to figure out what the number is by the answer. That's going to be tricky. All right, so here's what I want you to try. Use your hundreds chart. You're going to do 2 and 4. You're going to try all of these. Let's see if you can figure one of these out. They've given you the answer, but they haven't given you the number you're adding, so you have to kind of work backwards to figure those out. And then it's just story problems, but it's still the same kind of problem. She has 48. He has 32. How many do they have in all? So you're going to start on 48. You're going to add 32. Okay? I think you can do this, guys. So give it a try and really work at it. See if you can do it, because I'd like to see you handle the quick checks a little better now that we have some practice doing them. And the quick checks are exactly what you're learning in the lesson. So if you understand the lesson, you should be able to do those quick checks and solve this math.